So, your Nano Banana images suck. You're not alone. And here's the simple answer. Your image is only as good as your prompt. The difference between amateur and professional AI generation isn't the model. It's knowing how to structure your prompts like a cinematographer. Most platforms give you a plain text box and leave you guessing. But Nano Banana Pro responds to specific and structured prompts, and VEED's AI Playground is where you can generate those results and immediately bring them into a full editing workflow. So here's how I structure a cinematic portrait prompt. Subject, professional headshot of a creative director. Technical, shot on an 85mm lens, f1.8 aperture. Style, editorial photography, Vogue magazine aesthetic. Composition, medium shot, rule of thirds. And finally, lighting, soft window light, golden hour. These 5 subjects are really going to impact the quality of our generation. Watch how this gives us that sort of professional magazine vibe. But here's where VEED becomes your complete workflow. Once you have your image, you can take it even further and generate a video from it directly inside VEED, and then bring it into the editor, add subtitles, music, transitions, and more. No switching platforms, no downloading and re-uploading files. My workflow has never been so unchaotic in my life. Whether you're creating video or images for any platform, this structured approach works every time. Try Nano Banana Pro in VEED's AI Playground through the link in our description and see how this professional prompt structure completely transforms your AI generation workflow. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.